Yo, what's good, everyone? We are going to get started in just a minute. Guys, stay for this whole entire live stream. If you guys have been missing my previous masterclass days, every day, Monday through Friday, I am going to be teaching you guys how to trade Forex for free. 5 p.m. PST is when I am going to do these lives. So make sure you show up to your computers 5 minutes before. You have a pen and paper ready and you're ready to take notes. If you guys do not stay for this whole live stream, you are not going to get the surprise that I have for you guys at the end. If you guys miss day 1 or day 2, come back next Monday, come back next Tuesday, and rewatch it. But guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys step by step how to trade Forex and everything that you need. And today, I got some very powerful information for you guys. So without further ado, let's get down to business. This is day 3. I want to welcome all of you that showed up today. Thank you guys for showing up and giving me your time. I'm going to provide as much value as I possibly can. So now we are going to go into the actual charts, and I'm going to show you guys how to actually start entering a trade and how to actually read the markets. So once you go to tradingview.com, this is how your chart should look. It should look something like this. And on this chart, I am looking at Euro USD. I'm looking at the Euro versus the US dollar. Now, I have a couple of annotations all around the screen. The first thing I want you guys to look at right up here on the top of my screen, this is where your time frames are going to be. So yesterday I mentioned all the different time frames of 1 hour, 15 minute, 30 minute, 5 minute. We have all these different time frames that you can navigate through on your TradingView chart. And if you guys want to take a screenshot, that's probably the smartest thing that you can do, so you can refer to that screenshot when you are on TradingView looking at the charts. On the left side, we have all of our trading tools, our horizontal line, trend line, text tools. All of that stuff is on the left side. And I want you guys to look at the actual charts. We have these charts, all these candlesticks right here, these green ones and red ones. When the market is pushing down like it is right there, that means that we are in a down trend. When the market is going up higher and higher, that means we are in an uptrend. So the way that you can think of it is basically hills and valleys. When we're in a downtrend, it's kind of going into a valley. When we're in an uptrend, it's kind of going up a hill. That's the best analogy that I can give you. Now, if you guys look at the chart, all these little up and down things are called candlesticks. We have the green candlesticks, which are buy candles, bullish candles, and then we have the red candlesticks, which are bearish candles. So if the candle is red going down, that means that there's more sellers in that currency. If the market is going up in an uptrend, that means that there's more buyers in that currency. And then on the very right side, we have the current market price. That shows you the current price of that currency pair. And if we go to the next slide, this is where it's going to get really, really important. So take screenshots or notes of everything that I am giving you guys in this live stream right here. So the time frames to use. There's 2 main types of trading. We have scalp trading and swing trading. On the left side on this screenshot, this is what all your time frames will look like that you can choose from. So if you decide that you're a scalp trader, you want to be in and out of the markets really quickly, a scalp trader is basically, we would be trading for a shorter period of time. The time frames that we would use are lower time frames like the minute 1, meaning that every candlestick represents 1 minute. The minute 5, every candlestick represents 5 minutes. Or the minute 15, every candlestick represents 15 minutes. If you're more of a swing trader where you don't want to look at the charts too much, you just want to show up once or twice a week and you want to enter a trade, you would be a swing trader. Now, a swing trader, we would be trading for longer periods of time. Time frames we would use would be higher ones like the hour 1, hour 4, and the day 1. Those are the time frames that we would be using as swing traders. So you got to kind of really identify with yourself, what type of trader are you going to be? Scalp trader, swing trader. If you're a scalp trader, you're going to be entering more trades for sure. If you're a swing trader, you're going to be entering less trades and they're going to be lasting a lot longer for days, maybe even weeks. So reading candlesticks. Now we're looking at this chart. At the top, we can see we're on the 1 hour time frame. So all of these candles that we see on the chart, it's 1 hour. And you can see on the bottom of the thing right here of the chart, it says 21, 22, 25, 26, 27. These are different days. So this is in the month of March right here. So we can see all the way from March 21st, the market started to drop on Euro USD. We can see the red candle, like I mentioned a second ago. These are bearish candles. Bearish candles are going down. Then we can see the green candles right here. These are bullish candles. Bullish candles are going up. Then we have on the right side, we have a timer telling us when the current candle will close and a new one will open up. So on this timer, it says 41 minutes and 14 seconds. It's really easy to tell the time on the hour chart because 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, so on and so forth is when a candle will close and a new candle will open up. So every hour on the hourly chart, candle's going to close, new one's going to open up. Now, these are my favorite candlesticks. The first one is a hammerhead candle. If you see a hammerhead candle, usually the market is going to push up after you see that candle. If you see a doji candle, this represents an indecision in the market and a reversal is going to occur. So if you see the market pushing up and then you see a doji candle appear, most likely it should drop after that doji candle the following candles. Then we have a bullish engulfing. Now this is when we see a bearish candle and then the next candle is a bullish candle and the bullish candle closes higher than the other candle. So we can see the bullish candle, look how it engulfs this previous candle right here. Then same thing, but in reverse, we have a bearish candle, we have a bullish candle, and then we have this bearish candle that engulfs the previous candle. It kind of eats it up like Pac-Man. You can think of it like that. So here's an example of a trade. There's the before and there's the after. On the left side, we can see a doji has appeared. We would set up a sell and expect it to drop. So when you see a doji, like I said, look at how the market was pushing up very heavily. What happens? We see a doji close. And then if we see the after, what happens? The market starts to drop. So the doji symbolizes a reversal. Price immediately pushes down after that doji appears. So once that doji happens, if we're already pushing up and we see a doji, we're going to sell. If we see the market pushing down and then we see a doji, we're going to be a buyer after the doji closes. Very, very simple, guys. Setting up a trade. So when you're on TradingView, all the tools on the left, you'll be able to find the little position that looks like this right here. And it will say long and short position. So on the left side where your chart tools are, you can click long position or short position to set up a trade to take. Go to any currency pair and set up a trade and see what happens. So that's what I had for you guys. Very, very simple lesson, but there's a lot of value with day 1, 2, and now 3. You guys, if you stayed till all days, you should have a really good understanding on how to trade Forex at this point in time. Once again, I am doing these live streams from Monday through Friday, every day at 5 p.m. PST. So if you're on the East Coast, it's going to be 8 your time. If you're in Mountain Central, I think it's going to be 7 your time. I think if you're 2 hours ahead of California. So make sure that you guys are on these live sessions or these live streams on either YouTube or Instagram. And if you guys join on a computer, you're going to have a much bigger screen to look at. So if you guys are on your phone, it's going to be a little bit hard to see and it might not be the best quality. The best way to join these live streams is on your computer. Check my stories for updates when I'm doing the live streams. But overall, Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. PST is when I'm going to do it. And if you guys want something to really enhance your trading, message me the word ebook, all one word, ebook, and then I'll send you an ebook so you guys can get started and enhance your trading. Without further ado, guys, I will see you guys on the next stream tomorrow. Don't miss it, 5 p.m. PST, guys.